Malem kuting da thang na river climate change se spiritual crisis oye. Crisis asi hantanaba religious institution maru waina church ki mathau yamle. Sigi matang da hantak ki tha asida release taukraba lyric answer to climate change with a reference to how tangku world view ki outer somi ko somoshi ki interview tamina se.
Thainagi ipa ipu shingna environment da yam peaceful waina leiminaba traditional life aduna role model ama waihalabadi shangsharasi kanbang amgini haina larikasi iba hauki global warming nongma maisha shakatpana manghangadaba jog shangsharasi da essence of folk traditional life sina basis oirakrabadi aigi ashadi taibangasi free from worlds of climate effect to safest place and best place for living oibe yai adona yam complex issue madudi climate change asida ishona shu anoba shangshar anoba sharga shamtuna leidingaida araiba pambai paukhum easy solution binaba hotna jade ahingasha phal kairakpagi imbag city should die in no time without exception someone is no exception taipangmi amashung ahingba jiba panba ponumakshu shoidana mangba tai climate change climate crisis city karinoa hypakanda gordi na haibishi shumaina irame climate crisis is a spiritual crisis because humanity has become disconnected from supreme being and from the earth and each other, and that has contributed to the current climate crisis. So it is an urgent need to restore spiritual connection to the Creator, Sustainer, and Redeemer, and to the planet. Thainagi ipa ipu shing ki thajabadi tapangpan mi earth adoga supreme being mashi khaiba yadabani makhoi inseparable ni interrelated ni makhoi na thajabadi tapangpan mi oibaga ishorga thawan mi chak shingi unapamasi taipangpan dani hairami aduga taipangda leiba nung oiro ishing oiro u oiro ahingba jiba panba oiro punamagasi ashengbani hai makhoi traditional life ti karigumba harau gumai haudringaida ahanba maktata ishwarbu ira taumi yaipa mongol niduna hawi next fundamental right ti ishingi ayin omangi ayin lepaki ayin shingi ayin jiba panbagi ayin asi right to livelihood ni kana amatana ayin asigi wangmata chatpa yade no one is above water law tree law land law animal law birds law and everyone has equal justice under the law. Climate change lady bashida church na respond dawgadabadi karino hairaga church ajina shanga uchek jiba panba shingi umangi ajoba hi leihalaga ponomak himinaba ashengba mapam changjapam oinaba church na shamkatba mathau tai anishubada hitak langthaki oiba mana machine medicinal herbs medicinal plants medicinal trees ngaktuna thamraga ashokapan awana kokpa leidaba konung shamba church ki hak lei ahum shubada hanlei shorga taipangmiga nungshi chana leimina ramba adu hanjin lakpa church ki thodang lei
Somi go somoshi si Tangkhur tribe ki one of the most popular writer ama oi mahagna lyric tarani thoi publish taukre loinana articles kaya national amasung local media da phongkrapani mahak se pastor amashu oi amasung environmentalist amashu oina church da public platform kaya da thaina take ipu ipa singna ngakramba ising ki ayin umang ki ayin una wana ki ayin mayam se ningthina ngaknapa art and campaigner amashu oi